Today we're going to look at a little bit of geometry. We're going to look at the Pythagorean theorem. The Pythagorean theorem is used to find a missing side of a right triangle. So in this right triangle that you have here, you see that there are two legs and a side that is called the hypotenuse. The formula for the Pythagorean theorem is leg square plus the other leg square equal the hypotenuse square. Some of you may be used to just seeing the letters a square plus b square equals c square. They're the same formula. Remember that the legs of the right triangle meet at a 90-degree angle. The hypotenuse is always the leaning side. It is also the longest side of the right triangle. In this example of the Pythagorean theorem, you see that you have a leg of 3 and a leg of 4, and the hypotenuse is missing. So we take the one leg square, 3 square, plus the other leg square, which is the 4 square, and it's equal to the c square. 3 to the second power is 9. 4 to the second power is 16. So we have 9 plus 16 is equal to c squared. 9 plus 16 is 25. 25 is equal to c squared. But we're looking for the answer for c. To find the answer for c, we take the square root of both sides. The square root of 25 is asking what number times itself is equal to 25. And our answer is 5. So c is equal to 5. This tells us that the value of the hypotenuse is 5. Let's look at some more examples. In this right triangle, I have a leg of 6 and another leg of 8, and we're looking again for the hypotenuse. Remember, the formula is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. We have 6 squared plus 8 squared. Again, we're finding c. 6 to the second power is 36. 8 to the second power is 64. And then we have the c squared. 36 plus 64 is 100. So 100 is the value of c squared, but we're looking for the value of c. So we take the square root of both sides. The square root of 100, what number times itself is equal to 100? And our answer is 10. The value of our hypotenuse here is 10. We'll look at one more example. For this right triangle, we have a leg of 9 and a leg of 12. And again, we're looking for the hypotenuse. Same formula, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So we have 9 squared plus 12 squared equals the hypotenuse square. 9 squared is 81. 12 squared is 144. 81 plus 144 is 225. Remember, the last thing that you're going to do is you're going to take the square root of your number. What number times itself is equal to 225? This one you may need a calculator. So when you use the calculator, you're looking for a button that looks like the square root symbol. And you will take the square root of 225, and your calculator should give you an answer of 15. The hypotenuse in this example is 15.